Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to accept a friend request on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, you can see in the bottom right corner we have a spotlight where we can see videos, we have stories, and here also we have the camera and chats and the location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and accept a friend request on Snapchat. So firstly, you need to go and open Snapchat and tap on the ghost icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap Added Me. Then, when you did that, tap the plus button next to your friend's username to accept their friend request. After you have done alternatively, guys, you can also do a second thing that can help you go and accept a friend request. You can request by tapping on the person with a plus, so a plus sign, icon just above your Snap code. For the first list, you can either accept a friend request by tapping on the plus sign or decline by tapping the X sign. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.